Alright then, so how are we going to structure this geolocation based application? Well, it's probably more simple than you think. First of all, we will be having our root component sitting at the very top, as always, and nested directly inside that will be our navbar component right here, and this will always be visible. Then when we go to / in the address bar, we'll tell our view router to load up the map.view component, and this will be responsible for displaying our Google map and all of the different users dotted around that map and their geolocation. Now, when you click onto one of those users, it's going to redirect you to /profile / the slug of that user. And when we hit this route right here, we'll tell the router to load up the profile component. Now, this component will show the user's comments or wall, if you like, and all the different messages that other people have sent them. Then we'll also have a sign up component when you go to / sign up if you want to sign up as a new user. And if you want to log in, you go to / login and we load up the login view. Now we are also going to be protecting these two routes with route guards. And by that, I mean that we'll fire some logic before each one of these components is fired up. And if you are logged in at this stage, then we'll show that component. If you're not logged in at this stage, then what we'll do in both cases is redirect you to the login page, thereby protecting these two routes so that unregistered or unlogged in users can't see them. Only people who are authenticated can see the map and people's profiles. Alright then. Now finally, we'll be hooking these two components up to Firebase Auth to control the whole authentication flow. Now we will also be storing data on each user. In particular, we'll be storing their geolocation, and we'll also be storing comment data on user's profile. So we'll be setting up a Firestore database for this application as well.